Hello and welcome to this energy clearing session, part of our Wellness Wednesdays series. Today, we'll focus on aligning and cleansing your chakras, the energy centers within your body, to promote balance, peace, and vitality. This guided meditation will help you release any stagnant or negative energy, inviting a renewed sense of well-being and clarity. Settle into a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath as we begin this journey towards inner harmony and energy renewal. Let's begin by grounding ourselves in this present moment. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment and then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Feel your body begin to relax. Inhale deeply once more, bringing fresh energy into your body. And as you exhale, imagine letting go of any heaviness or worries you've been carrying. Continue breathing at your own pace, allowing each breath to calm your mind and center your awareness. And now visualize a warm, healing light surrounding you, a gentle reminder that you are safe, grounded, and open to this experience of energy clearing and rejuvenation. Now let's bring our attention to the base of the spine, the root chakra. Imagine a vibrant red light glowing at your root, like the deep, nourishing color of the earth. This is the foundation of your energy, your connection to the physical world, and your sense of safety and stability. With each inhale, imagine this red light growing brighter, expanding and strengthening. As you exhale, release any fear, insecurity, or tension. Feel yourself becoming more grounded and secure. Now move your focus upwards to the sacral chakra, just below your navel. Visualize a warm orange light swirling gently like a comforting, glowing ember. This center holds your creativity, passion, and emotional balance. Breathe deeply into this area, allowing the orange light to grow and flow freely. With each exhale, release any guilt, shame, or blockages that no longer serve you. Feel a sense of freedom and fluidity, inviting joy and pleasure into your life. Now, shift your attention to your solar plexus, located just above your navel. Here lies your personal power, your sense of confidence and self-worth. Imagine a bright, golden light like the radiant sun glowing at your core. And as you breathe in, see this yellow light expand, filling your body with warmth and empowerment. With each exhale, let go of any self-doubt or feelings of powerlessness. Embrace your inner strength and the light that you bring into the world. Now bring your awareness to the heart chakra in the center of your chest, and visualize a soft green light, the color of fresh leaves in spring. This is the center of love, compassion, and connection. And as you inhale, feel this green light expanding, filling your heart with unconditional love and acceptance. With each exhale, release any resentment, anger, or grief. Let your heart open wide, radiating love to yourself and to others. Now move your focus to the throat chakra, located at your throat. See a clear blue light like the vast sky on a sunny day. This is your center of communication and truth. And as you breathe in, imagine this blue light brightening, empowering your voice and your ability to express yourself authentically. With each exhale, release any unspoken words, fears of judgment, or feelings of being unheard. Feel the freedom and clarity in your communication, both with yourself and others. Now shift your attention to the third eye chakra, situated between your eyebrows. Visualize a deep indigo light, like the night sky filled with stars. This is your center of intuition, insight, and inner wisdom. And as you inhale, see this indigo light expanding, enhancing your ability to see beyond the surface. With each exhale, let go of any confusion, doubt, or negative thoughts clouding your vision. Trust your intuition and the guidance it provides. And finally, bring your awareness to the crown chakra at the top of your head. Visualize a bright violet or white light, like a beautiful, radiant halo. This is your connection to the divine, the universe, and your higher self. And as you breathe in, imagine this light expanding, opening you up to a sense of peace, enlightenment, and unity with all that is. With each exhale, release any sense of separation or limitation. Feel the pure, boundless energy flowing through you, connecting you to the greater whole. Take a few moments now to scan your body, feeling the energy flowing freely from one chakra to the next. Notice any shifts or changes in how you feel. Allow yourself to bask in this balanced, vibrant energy. You are whole. You are connected. And you're at peace. And now, as we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating this time to your well-being. Visualize your chakras growing brightly, each in its vibrant color, aligned and balanced. Take a deep breath in, feeling the refreshed, clear energy that now flows through your body. Slowly exhale, and when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the connection to your physical body. And when you feel fully present, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of balance and calm with you throughout your day, knowing that you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need to. Thank you for joining this energy clearing session as part of Wellness Wednesdays. Remember, maintaining balanced energy is a continuous journey. And by taking these moments for yourself, you're nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. We hope you feel renewed, aligned, and ready to embrace the rest of your day with positivity and clarity. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe for more sessions. And until next time, take care and be well.